Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have another Temu haul to share with you. If you're new to Temu, I do have a Temu code and also have a $100 bundle. So go ahead and use that. So with that, let's go shopping. Okay, so let's start with some appliques today. You know me, I love some appliques. So let me show you the first one I have. I have some butterflies, and these are so cute. I love the colors. I like these because for embellishment wise, they already done most of the work for you. Look at that. Let's see, we already have a blue. I think that's the other colors. And you do get 5 of them in the packet. And I will have all the links below. Look at those. So this is double. You get two of them. So you get the bottom, which is glitter. And then you get a little light, almost a tulle. And they do got a gemmy in the middle to kind of give it the extra effect on it. And then you get a gemmy in the middle. How pretty is that? And then you get the pink, yellow, orange, purple, and blue. And if you look at the blue one actually has a rainbow color sequence in the bottom. So that's real pretty. Like I said, you get 10 each of that. So how pretty would those be on a project? Those are real nice. And then the next one I have here is another applique. And these are flowers. This one comes in like a peach, light orange yellow, the white, the red. You would have a purple, a yellow, a pink. Put the second one in there. And then you do get a blue. There's one of each colors. Look at that. You get a red, white. See, it's almost like a peach orange, yellow, blue, pink, and purple. How pretty is that? And you could use those for anything. So if you're not into scrapbooking or card making or journals or anything like that, you could even use this for like hair accessories. So that's another one. So I'm gonna keep that out there. Another applique I have is the flowers. And I believe I hauled these before. And like I said, these already do some of the work for you. Look at that. They already have jimmies in the middle. So this would be nice, like if you do a paper flower and just stick one of these in the middle. Like if it's a little bigger. Look at that. How pretty is that? It's actually real cute. We have that one. And with all this, I'll have all the links below so that you could, if you want to get some, you can. think that might be it with appliques. Let's see what this one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this one here are actually acrylic charms. And I got these because I thought they were pretty cool. And they're guitars. And you get 5 of them. And they do have like a plastic over it, so you just gotta take them off. That's why they look a little faded. But I won't take that off until I'm ready to use them. But this one you get 5 of them. Look at that. And let me see if they have I think they have a hole. Yeah, they do have a hole. You see that? They do have a hole in there, so you can use them. You can make them into earrings or use them as a dangle. Or even do them as a charm. Look at that. How cool are those? So I saw them. I saw those on Temu. I was like, yeah, I have to get these. I really don't care for these two, but I wish I had more of these ones here. A little rock and roll. Now, these ones here, the tulips, they went out of stock and they came back, so I was able to get them also. And these are little charms. Wait till you see these, are cute. And these are beautiful. Look at those. You get the red, the blue, purple, and pink. And this screams spring. Look at that. And I don't know how many pieces. Let's see. They get 20 pieces of the flower, the tulips. So that's actually a real cute one also. So in case you didn't see the other video, I did finally get my little shopping cart. So I was able to roll my product into my video. How cute is this? I love it. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this, I want to say, might actually be like that. Let's see. Might be, oh, yeah, it's the paper. It's a paper, but it feels like fake leather, which is really cool. Look at that. So you have this one, and you get 3 sheets of that, I believe. 3, 4, 5. So you get 6 sheets. I think this is actually pretty cool because it kind of, you think it's like a leather, but it's paper, and with your mind it's like you want to say it's leather, but it's not, because you know it's like weird. Singly, you know it's paper, but when you hold multiple, it feels like pleather, I guess. It's weird. Okay, so you get the blue. Look at this. The yellow. The pink. This one's the lime. The dark pink. The blue. The light pink. The orange. The darker blue. They're real pretty colors. I know Daiso has these in strips. It's like a blue, green, and then sometimes purple. And then a light pink that's not shiny. That's actually pretty cool. And then this is a cool colors. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is some dies that I have. Let me move this out the way. Put this out the way too. Okay, the first one I want to show you is this bird die. I think this is so cute. You got, I think it's 3 different, yeah, you get 3 different, let me show you this here. You get 3 different birdhouses. I don't have any to stick to it, but yeah, you get 3 different birdhouses. I will have the images in the video so you can see how they look like. Let me go ahead and take it out. See, I have a glare. So you get this one, so you get 3 of them. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And then you do have some little extras. This is for like the doors. You can put on the little house. Well, this one's 1 door, but you have 2 more. That's a cute one. Another one here, I have a flower die, and it does have the leaves here, and of course it has the flowers, different flower sizes, a large, and then it goes as medium, and then smaller. That's another cute one, like a spring flower. Okay, this one here, I have a baking one. So you do have the baking sheets, and then they do come with cookies, and they got a rolling pin. You do have your baking mitt. You do have your spatulas. Yeah, your little, yeah, you got a lot of little things here for this. This is actually real cute. It's a good size, so I like this. Look at that. So that's the baking one. It's a real nice one. I like that. Oh, this one here's a bird one. So I got this one to go with the house. So this one is 2 birds. Or 3. Let me see. So you got, also you come with 3 birds. You got 1, 2, 3. And then you got wings there. That's that one. And that goes with this one there. But it's separate. Okay, this one here is a frame. So you got 3 different size frame, and you do got an outer and you do got the back piece and the back piece and the outer piece. Like that. I like this because it kind of look a little gothic-ish kind of. So I got this one. You can see that. And then my last thing that I have, this is actually a real good size. So I have this one too. This is actually a good size right here. So you do got the bigger frame out here, and it does got a outer piece, and then you got a middle one in the middle, and it also got another piece there, and then you got the frame in the middle, and also got multiple frames there, and then you have the one in the square here, the rectangle in there. So this one's a good size here for this one. Yeah, that's another one. I like this. So this is my little haul. This wasn't that big, but it had some nice goodies in there. I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, I do think these papers actually pretty cool. I'm gonna have fun trying these out. But still, like I said, this is a cool paper. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the haul. Make sure you leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.